And now I'm going to move on to what I call the map. It's mapping out all the elements of the component, and I can give you a better idea of that. So number of horizontal reveals, number of vertical reveals, bottom reveal width, left reveal width, right reveal width, top reveal width, all the applied components, top, bottom, left, right, and what type those are. So I'll show you what each of those means. And one way to do that is to show you this. This is kind of the grid pattern that I am basing this component off of. So we have our rows, we have our columns, and each one of those where they intersect creates a number that I'm using, which is the division 1 for the column 1. And that sets my naming convention for all of my parts, and it also allows me to program in how I want this to be arranged. And we also have our vertical reveals and our horizontal reveals, and each one of those is labeled as 1 through 9 each direction. So let me explain what that looks like in here. So if we go back to our elevation here, when I talk about horizontal and vertical reveals, I'm referring to the space in between each front. So we have our first front here, then we have one vertical, we have two verticals, three verticals, and then if you look at the horizontal, we have one horizontal, two horizontals. So I would refer to this as a 3 vertical, 2 horizontal cabinet. And then I go back to my model, I can plug that in to 2 horizontals and 3 vertical reveals. The bottom reveal width, since it has an applied filler, is going to be 1/8 inch, which is also matching the horizontal reveals, so I can leave that as is. The left reveal is also going up against the filler, so it has a 1/8 inch reveal, which is already programmed in. Same with the right side and the top, since it has an applied filler as well. The bottom filler, I'm going to do a toe kick and filler. The left, I'm going to do as a filler, which is really, you can actually add a scribe to that as well. And the right is going to be an applied finished end, and the top will be a filler as well. And then I will apply those options, and it will adjust all my internal component parts when I do my redraw, which is what I'm going to do right here.